Do you know many people are having trouble with setting up their new Moto G53 5G? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Insert cards. Insert your SIM card and SD card into the slots available in the tray located on the side of the phone. Step 2. Power on. Power on the phone by pressing the power button and select your preferred language when prompted. Step 3. Connect Wi-Fi. Connect your phone to a Wi-Fi network and sign in with your Google account to synchronize your data. Step 4. Transfer data. Transfer your data from your old phone to the new one by following the on-screen instructions. Step 5. Customize settings. Customize your phone settings such as ringtones and wallpaper, then download apps from Google Play Store. Now you should be able to easily set up your new Motorola Moto G53 5G phone. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Motorola users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.